Gacha here. Today I'm gonna open everything I got from Chiikawa Land. Let's go! And also check that video out. And a full set of Chiikawa eye masks. I love my Usagi, so I'm gonna open this one for you guys. And the other ones you can just have a glimpse here because I've got too much stuff. I don't need to open every single one of these. Yep, so just Usagi. Fabric is very soft at front, nice embroidery, and also with the back here, different fabric. Let's go. Box pouch, and on the side you can see different characters: Chiikawa, Hachiwara, Lion, and Takoyaki Boy. And the other side we've got Usagi and a squirrel as well. As usual, I want my Usagi and Hachi, and yeah, that's pretty much it. On the back, just a glimpse of the pouch. As usual, you know which ones I like. Let's go. Oh, oops, I saw some white. So let's go 3, 2, 1. Hachiwara, but the face is not the defaulted face, but it makes it special, I guess. I prefer my plush keychain from the Gachas. Small zipper. Other than that, nothing too noteworthy. Some other stuff I got included a random Chiikawa crying Japanese name stamp, cards with Usagi and Takoyaki Boy, and the back. Line back Chiikawa Tape Series 2. Now for this one, I think it's an exception that I like all of them, so it doesn't really matter which I get as long as they're not duplicated. Back, Chiikawa Masking Tape. Pack number 1. Well, 1. Let's go. Okay, as I mentioned, I don't mind whichever. Let's go. Oh, it's the one in black with all the stars. I like this one. This one's really, really nice. Second pack, please do not duplicate. Let's go. Okay, this one, Scarface, I see Chiikawa, it's the blend of everything, so it's the top one. I do like the stars one more. Chiikawa tissues, 6 different packs per pack. Cut this open. Getting through them 2 by 2, otherwise it'll waste so much time. Chiikawa and the stick, and at the bottom it's just a gigantic Chiikawa face. On the back you get Hachi and Usagi for the bottom one. For these two, I like the top one. I definitely don't like the knight at the bottom. He's always so freaky. Yeah, that smile. Funny enough, he's got that Chiikawa pouch as well. On the back you get the pajamas set for the bottom one, and at the top you get this omu rice. Last two, Chiikawa's face duplicated at the bottom, and the top one we haven't seen before. It's got all the different characters at the back, including them doing different stuff like Hachi having sushi. Very cute. And at the back, more of this illustration extended for the top one, and the bottom one is just the same. This mirror has all the cutest Hachiwara here. Okay, so here's the bottom. You can put some accessories here. And at the top you can see Toyo. What up. On the back, more Hachiwara. These 3 plush I got for other people, so I'm not going to be opening the plastic wrap, but I'm going to show them individually. So here we've got the frog poncho. This is super cute, and it's got that flap at the top. Those frog eyes just really melts your heart. And also there are these really cute pockets. At the back, nothing much. And here's a cute tag. Next we have the panda one. At the top you can see the panda eyes and nose. Super cute. I love this. This is a Tokyo one. They've got different exclusives here and there, like Skytree, Nada, etc. Nothing else on back. And here's the tag for the Tokyo one. This looks like a squirrel, but instead it's a snail. Look at the shell. It's so puffy. I love squeezing this. And also at the bottom you've got the pockets with the poncho, and this is Hachiwara with the blue at the top. Snail eyes, not as cute as the frog one, but I do like this one, and this is the tag for it. Next, these are mine, Usagi with the popcorn. So removing the popcorn so you can see the face clearer. It's so cute, and also he's got the hat at the top, syncs with the popcorn bucket, which is very cute. Tag and illustration that you'll be able to find in Chiikawa Lands in Kittyland. Check that video out because this is where I got it from. This one I got from the cafe/restaurant, so you can see with the outfit. This one is exclusive to that place, and it is pretty cute. The fabric is different in terms of quality. It is better, I think. And again, here's the tag with Usagi serving the drink. Loving that made hat at the top, and also the apron at the bottom with the cute yellow bow. And at the back, more bow, and yeah, I just love this one. There's also the restaurant tag as well at the top. Nice! Next is the Tanabata Dane one. So again, Usagi, I love Usagi. Ears are different. And it's also got a shining star at the top. So carrying this Yaha sign, and this dress is so fairy tale like, which of course syncs with the festival. And also at the back, this is the back of the dress. I love the different layerings of the dress. Bow complements well because it carries a greater contrast in comparison to this pink at the top. These are the Chiikawa Cup Gachas. Yeah, sometimes I don't shoot everything, but let me open these up. If you want to see my other Gachas, Chiikawas, etc., check the links down below. Now with the sake cups, they're gonna be the same, so just to give you guys a glimpse, so la-di-da-di-da. First one, squirrel drinking cola and eating crisps. Hot air, super lazy. Psycho. This one's probably my favorite because it's got Hachiwara, but Scarface I don't like, and because it's in color, some of these aren't in color. Nonetheless, they're having this chilled moment. Now these are the ones without color, so these aren't that great, I think. For the sake of completing the set, I have got it, and yeah, everything else is the same. It's just very, very bland. This one, Shisha with Takoyaki Boy, again, no color. Dozo. Now here's the duplicated Takoyaki Boy one with Chiikawa and Hachiwara at the back. Yeah, I didn't really like this one, but it's just here, doubled. Here are the Chiikawa masks. We've got Usagi at the front, second Hachiwara, and also Chiikawa crying at the back. These are super cheap, 500 yen per, and of course I'll be trying Usagi. 12 variations for the sausages. Let's go. Freaking kidding me, I hate this Takoyaki Boy. I just hate the front so much, man. It's like the worst one you can get. Well, these have just popped out. 12 cards, 10 normal and 2 rare. Chiikawa curry, beef, comes with 8 variations of stickers, sweet curry, and this one has 20 variations of stickers. Beef curry comes with 8 different variations of stickers, so I am excited to be getting some Usagis as usual. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, ha! No, I don't like this one. Where's my Usagi? It's pretty cute they're having lunch together. And it's glittery as well. And the curry being the normal curry. And the sweet curry, 20 different variations of this one for the sticker. Go, 3, 2, wait, okay, 1, ha! Oh my gosh, you serious? Hachiwara and Chiikawa are no Usagi. Yo, where's my bunny at? Curry bean curry. Ha! Chiikawa gummies, Chiikawa, Hachiwara, Usagi, and also the trio at the bottom. How did I kind of scroll them perfectly just now? I don't know. These you dump onto your soup rice. 20 stickers again. These reminds me of that ramen, which I think is just the same thing. Anyhow. And also this. Where's the sticker? It's within this small gap. Alright, let's go. 3, 2... Okay, Hachiwara. This is one of the cutest things you can get in Japan. Chiikawa chocolate. Gigantic Chiikawa Chiloru chocolates. Signs are pretty cute as usual, and it tells you all the different flavors. Melon bread, pudding, and biscuit. And there's 30 variations, so I'm not expecting myself to be getting the full set in this box. Putting this up. Okay, it's packed in this pack. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Call me biased if you want. The top are the keepers. Bottom are the trash. Look at these hideous mofos, man. Look at these hideous mofos. You know what? With this one, I got 3 of these mofos. Why the hell would you want so many of these? Now I've got the Knight, the driving license. Sorry, it's a student card. The Japanese Kool-Aid man. Basically, this row I can annihilate or eat. This row I really, really like. Actually, why did I put it here? Okay. Chiikawa in pajamas, Chiikawa lying down, Chiikawa happy face, and then Hachiwara normal Usagi. I can't believe it, I only got 1 Usagi. Hachiwara with Chiikawa star and the pink one I don't like, but still it's not hideously ugly. Done. Also here's the Usagi pen holder. Bought this simply because it's cute. That is all. I don't actually need one of these. So yep, Usagi, and at the back there's the pen holder. Not bad and super cute, and that is all. And here's the Usagi rice sprinkler. It's not as cute as the one that I opened up before for the Pikachu one because it doesn't come with the stickers, but other than that, it's got all the facial physiques here, eyes, nose, also cute sticker at the bottom.